Back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add a website to Google Search Console in 2026. Adding your website is the first step to tracking your site's performance, indexing pages, and improving your SEO. First, open your browser and go to Google Search Console. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. On the welcome screen, you'll see two options, domain *** and URL prefix ***. Choose the domain *** option if you want to track your entire domain, including all subdomains and both HTTP and HTTPS versions. Choose the URL prefix ** option if you only want to track a specific version of your website, such as https://www, example.com. Enter your website address in the appropriate field and click Continue ***. Google will now ask you to verify that you own the website. Don't worry if you can't verify it yet. We'll cover the verification process in the next tutorial. After your website is verified, it will appear in your Google Search Console dashboard. From there, you can monitor search performance, submit your sitemap, request indexing for new pages, identify crawl errors, and discover the keywords people use to find your website. If you manage multiple websites, you can repeat the same process to add each one to your account. Keeping all your websites in one Google Search Console account makes them much easier to manage. That's it, you've successfully added your website to Google Search Console. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to verify website ownership step by step. If this tutorial